अभी इस टाइम पे मौका है, आज पायलट बन जाओगे तो ज़िंदगी संवार लोगे,
निकल जाओगे।
और नहीं तो फिर रह जाओगे। जब एग्ज़ाम्स हो रहे थे, पास नहीं हो पा रहे थे एयरलाइन में, तो ही टोल्ड मी प्रिपेयर इट इन अ वे दैट देयर इज़ ओनली वन वैकेंसी. She was diagnosed by cancer. She wanted to be a pilot. She was diagnosed by cancer, and for that reason, she couldn't be a pilot. And he's like, you know what? पहली बार बैठ के जब रडर पेडल पैर पे नहीं लगे ना, तो शॉक लग गया. सो ये हमने मान लिया है कि एविएशन में जो सबसे खूबसूरत या सबसे बड़ा ओहदा जो है वो पायलट है. Without having a MBA, without having any expertise in aviation, because of his discipline, because of his work, he was pulled out to becoming a CEO. You cannot say Emirates 382. You have to say Emirates 382. So the last two digits
What?
have to be together. And what an experience. Reached there and then got to know that it's about to snow. So you have to, after landing also, there are so much of procedures to be taken care of for icing. Joburg elevation is 5,000 feet. There's a special training you need to go to land on that airport, just because it's 5,000 feet high. You have to be thoughtful about the next of the crew.
Wow. Mind blown, mind blown. Namaskar, my name is Ronak and welcome to Golden Epaulettes podcast by pilots for pilots. In conversation with Captain Zainul Katani, I definitely want to hear more about his stories in Emirates and a couple of other things in aviation and his opinion. I'm mesmerized, for sure. I would love to continue listening to him. So we've got a bit more time with him. We were lucky enough. Let's go ahead and ask him a few more questions. Captain Zainul, thank you again.
Thank you so much for listening to me.
Thank you. No, I'm thoroughly enjoying it. It's like music to my ears. So let's continue. आप मुझे please पहले बताओ कि what happens in Emirates? Does it stay in Emirates or can you talk about it?
Oh yes, certainly. It has 100% of all good information to be passed,
Right.
and that's the reason I would love to share my experience from there. Initially, you know what? When you join there, you're asked to do SLF, the supervised line flying. Everybody who reaches there has a certain amount of experience.
Right.
The recruitment also which happens is completely non-technical. There is no technical aspect to it. So that
Oh,
because
wow.
they feel that you have experience, that's the reason you have reached here.
Right.
And then they train as per their standards. So if you start your career, so you have to do about 40 or 80 hours of SLF, supervised line flying. That is basically
Training.
you fly. Yeah, you fly with the trainer. There, they mentioned that okay, you have to do 6 flights. I'm like, 6 flights only. I can do it anytime because we have been habitual of doing 80 hours or 100 hours or 40, 50 hours. Like, yeah, no worries. Then the roster comes and it says it has to be done in each continent. 6 flights you have to do, and it has to be in each different continent. I was surprised. I had been doing little bit of international here and there, but I had not seen
मतलब
those
Delhi,
continents.
Chennai, Bombay, Bangalore acceptable.
Maybe Dubai, maybe Singapore. That's it.
But this is like you're saying that each continent.
Each continent you have to go to. That's the part. So 6 flights you have to do, and it has to be in different continent.
Okay.
It was such
I'm a bit
journey.
taken aback. That's some kind of traveling?
It's a traveling. However, you are under training, so you have to perform to the best, and that is the time I learned that because when you are flying in India or nearby, uh, it's the culture which you are aware of, and then you just go in the cockpit and you know how to fly because
Right.
you are
There was
aware
a
of it.
cultural shift.
And here, it's a completely different. So Australia has a different way of flying. US has a different way of flying. You talk about South Africa, it's different. North, it's different. Um, to give you an example, Australia. So Australia, if you say Emirates flight number 382, so there it's as per the law, you cannot say Emirates 382. You have to say Emirates 382. So the last two digits
What?
have to be together. And that's the way you have to speak on the RT. So if you go there for flying,
That's
and you will,
confusing. We don't say it like that.
exactly, but that's how they have their norms. So Australian career you talk
अगर
about,
आपने नहीं किया तो
so you can get penalized for that. So Air India 123 flight number, if it's there, so it will be called Air India 123.
123.
That's how
Wow.
they call. The same way if you go to US, so the visibility, rest of the world talks about the visibility nautical miles, they talk in statute miles. Um, if you talk about Joburg, Joburg high elevation is 5,000 feet. There's a special training you need to go to land on that airport just because it's 5,000 feet high. You come to Europe.
Wow.
I remember my one of my initial flights was to Zurich, and people were going to Davos that time for the economic forum, and Deepika Padukone was in our flight, and what an experience! I reached there and then got to know that it's about to snow, so you have to, after landing also, there are so much of procedures to be taken care of for icing. Uh, हमारे लिए तो ये था कि बस लैंड किया, छुट्टी पाओ और निकलो घर पे. But then you understood that, you know what, you have to be thoughtful about the next of the crew.
Wow. Mind blown. Mind blown.
So that's how, so we do it in
ग्लोरिफाइड
different.
एसएलएफ किया है आपने एसएलएफ ये नहीं कि दिल्ली बॉम्बे ग्लोरिफाइड
Certainly yes. However,
another feather added to the cap. I've not heard a story like that.
yes, but obviously it has a lot of efforts and stress and pressure
I
to
am
it.
sure you're making it sound seamless, but it is not.
Correct.
I am so sure कि you are making it look like, huh, just another day, just another thing. But I'm sure uske piche the nights you have
Yes.
woken up and studied,
Oh, yes.
the amount of physical exercise you've put in,
Oh, yes.
mental balance,
Correct.
psychological balance,
Psychological
talk of it. Psychological से याद आया, हम कभी फ्लाइंग करते करते ग्राउंड भी हो सकते हैं, हमें कुछ हो भी सकता है जिससे हम फ्लाई ना कर पाएं.
Correct.
हाथ टूट गया, पैर टूट गया, समझ आता है, बट द सी वर्ड अगर हो गया तो यू नो व्हाट आई एम रेफरिंग टू.
Yep.
कुछ बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट हो गया तो कैसे होता है?
So again, that's the beauty of the aviation, and especially as a pilot, you have been taken care of whether you are part of any of the airline.
कैसे?
तो
जब आप
एक
फ्लाई नहीं करेंगे तो आप एयरलाइन के लिए तो कुछ खास यूजफुल नहीं है ना?
नहीं है, बट वो आपका इंश्योरेंस कराते हैं. सो यू हैव, फर्स्ट पार्ट इज इंश्योरेंस. इफ़ यू आर completely unfit or permanent unfit, so with the insurance you get an amount which can be used with whatever you want to do.
Captain
That's
Samuel, I understand.
Yeah.
That's a one-time payment.
Correct.
You being a pilot, you know the joy of flying, right?
Yep.
Nothing comes close to that.
Correct.
Can a one-time payment cover that up? उसके बाद तो आप ग्राउंड पे आ गए. Yeah, there are chances you get back up. Are there?
So two parts to it. First, I remember one of my friend. He retired and then he joined the office, and he's like, you know what? पहली बार बैठ के जब रडर पेडल पैर पे नहीं लगे ना, तो शॉक लग गया, क्योंकि आदत है, लाइक यू सेइंग, सालों साल रडर पेडल एडजस्ट करने की, और अब यहाँ पहुँचे टेबल पे, यू आर जस्ट सिटिंग. बट सच इज लाइफ. You cannot be disheartened, you cannot bring your life into it. I'll give you a few examples through
Please, thank you.
it. The first example is Kanika Tekriwal.
Okay.
She's founder of Jet Set Go. She's my school senior. She's from
Yeah,
Bhopal.
yeah. I think I've seen her. The charter.
Yes.
Yeah.
So she was diagnosed by cancer. She wanted to be a pilot. She was diagnosed by cancer, and for that reason, she couldn't be a pilot.
Look where she is today. Hats off to that woman.
The richest Indian woman,
Yeah.
youngest
Youngest and
Indian
richest.
woman.
And she wanted to be a pilot,
She
and she was diagnosed with cancer.
So ये हमने मान लिया है कि एविएशन में जो सबसे खूबसूरत या सबसे बड़ा ओहदा जो है वो पायलट है, या वेल पेड जो है वो पायलट है. बट इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं. अनदर एग्जांपल वुड बी मिस्टर आदित्य घोष. He was a lawyer, got into aviation law, and the contract which he drafted, the way he handled the negotiation between Airbus and Indigo, he was moved in his late 20s without having an MBA, without having any expertise in aviation, because of his discipline, because of his work. He was pulled out from lawyer to becoming a CEO. पूरी दुनिया ने बोला कि क्या बात है, एक लॉयर सीईओ बन
That's
जाते हैं.
crazy.
दैट्स क्रेजी. हमें लगा कि ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. उन्होंने उसके आगे की भी दुनिया दिखाई कि सीईओ पे ख़त्म नहीं
रुको
होती
मत.
दुनिया. Become a founder. He is a founder of
You
an airline.
certainly look up to these
Oh,
people,
they
right?
are my role models, I would say. Mr. Vinay Dubey, his another co-founder, he was research analyst in one of the airline. From there, understanding his part, and then putting it into papers and writing an airline on notebook. And today, look at them. Every month they are having aircrafts. They're writing a history.
I understand. I totally agree. They're doing very well for themselves. But, Captain, ये बात हुई कुछ सेलिब्रिटीज गाइडिंग लाइट और मेंटोर्स की.
ये हमने उनको सेलिब्रिटीज आज बनते हुए देखा है, तो इसके लिए सेलिब्रिटीज हो गए. हम उनको अगर सालों पीछे देखें तो हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि दे वुड हैव आल्सो बीन दे हैड द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बिकम अ पायलट आल्सो, बट मे बी दे वर नॉट or the luck didn't favor that time and they didn't become a pilot.
Or favored them in a different way, जैसे आपके केस में होगा.
Correct.
बस मुझे यहाँ पे ये ज़रूर जानना है because you are so intriguing as a person and I thoroughly like your personality. Personally, I do.
Thank you.
So I want to ask you, कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं 5 या 6 जो आपके guiding light रहे हैं, जो कभी नहीं is throughout this journey, you know, ups and downs, जो आपके साथ रहे हैं.
Oh, 100%. First of all, I have my two best friends, Captain Vishal Chaudhary and Captain Akshat Sethi.
Okay.
They both have been the backbone. They have holded me
फोन उठा के
tight.
जिसको बोलते हैं अरे यार ये हो गया अब क्या करें.
Yes, and also they have been brutally honest to me कि तेरी गलती है, इसको मान और आगे बढ़, नहीं तो तू पछताएगा. So that has been them.
That's the kind of friendship. you
That's
should
how
have.
it should be.
Yeah.
After that,
सिर्फ शुगर कोटिंग नहीं.
नहीं, not at all. Sugar coating तो है ही नहीं मेरे ख्याल से. Captain Anand Sethi, father of my best friend, he was the person who holded me कि बेटा ऐसे ऐसे करना है. He gave me one sentence which is, वो ताबीज़ होता है ना, वैसे बांध के रखा है. जब एग्ज़ाम्स हो रहे थे, पास नहीं हो पा रहे थे एयरलाइन में, तो he told me prepare it in a way that there is only one vacancy. Second can be replaced. There is only one. The first which cannot be replaced ever. किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है, किसी की हिम्मत नहीं है कि वो फर्स्ट बंदे को मूव कर दे. जुगाड़ सारी चीज़ें हैं वो सब अपनी जगह पर हैं, पर फर्स्ट को कोई नहीं टच कर सकता.
I agree. There is a friend who also flies whose father used to tell me top positions are always vacant.
Always.
I think ये वही चीज़ है.
Exactly.
Always vacant. Top position. So that's amazing. So अभी तक 3 individuals हुए, 2 और कौन हैं?
Captain Vishwas Rai. So he has been again a backbone to my family. Whenever I'm out, he is the person I had always called कि भैया ये परेशानी है. He's like, don't worry, you concentrate on your flying and I'll take care of the rest of the world. And the last one is Captain Shahid Bilgrami. He was the one which I told you when I was in 12th. I went to him to meet.
हाँ, चाय बनाने की चर्चा हुई थी.
Exactly. So he was the person. He taught me. He told me, अभी इस टाइम पे मौका है, आज पायलट बन जाओगे तो जिंदगी संवार लोगे,
निकल जाओगे,
और नहीं तो फिर रह जाओगे.
Right.
And since then, these are the people I talk to them.
Beautiful. So at least we have 5 who you can just remember. ऐसे I'm sure बहुत है. I'm
Correct.
sure बहुत है. Looking at you, knowing you and talking to you, I feel बहुत है. You know,
it would be not justified. मैं अगर बात करने बैठूँ तो मेरे ख्याल से मैं पूरा पॉडकास्ट कर सकता हूँ. मैं हर एक बंदे को याद कर सकता हूँ.
Right.
और वो एक पल याद कर सकता हूँ जब मैं ज़मीन में अपना चेहरा जो है वो रगड़ रहा था और उन्होंने बोला कि उठो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. विद दिस आई रिमेंबर मिस्टर अलीम खान, माई फादर्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड. All the decisions I had taken, he's not part of aviation. All the decisions I have taken, so it is him who has guided me, because he's not from aviation. So you need to have somebody who's not in aviation also, because वो बताते हैं यार ये तो आपका finance के हिसाब से.
To give a perspective.
Yes. So these are few people I would love to.
Wow.
Well, that was us speaking with Captain Zainul Khatani. I, for one, have not had enough speaking with him. I would like to know more. I'm still very intrigued, and still many, many, many more things to follow. You may like, subscribe, and comment below for any queries.